Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this video. So we have already parked our cars as you have seen in the last video, and right now we are at the Church of Jesus of Casa Professa. From the outside, Church of Jesus of Casa Professa, it looks like any other stone church, but step inside and you are instantly hit by a breathtaking explosion of Sicilian Baroque masterpiece. Every single surface, it feels so alive with vibrant polychrome marble, the dramatic stuccos, and the soaring frescoes that completely overwhelm the senses. It feels less like a building and more like a gateway to paradise. If you are visiting Sicily, this hidden wonder is an absolute must see. I will leave the link for the location. It is a little bit inside and you might just miss it because from the outside it does not have a very towering appearance, what is usually expected when it comes to churches and cathedrals, but you must go inside. And when I was talking about the Sicilian Baroque technique, this is what I was talking about. The Sicilian Baroque style, it's a very distinctive form of Baroque architecture that flourished in the southeastern Sicily during the late 17th and 18th centuries. Rather than being a construction technique, it's an architectural or an artistic style that developed after a devastating earthquake in 1693 that destroyed many towns in the region. The Church of Casa Professa in Palermo is considered one of the finest masterpieces of the Sicilian Baroque. One of the church's most extraordinary feature is its polychrome marble inlay. So rather than painting patterns onto walls, artisans cut and fitted hundreds of pieces of colored marble together like an intricate puzzle. The walls and ceilings are covered in elaborate white stucco sculptures created by master craftsmen. You'll find angels, saints, draped figures, decorative foliage. Let me give you a close-up of the wall and the Baroque style. So every part of this wall is separate from one another and they were cut separately, polished and then fused together to form these structures. I wished I could stay longer in this church, but we had to come out a bit early because a wedding was going to take place in the church. I wish I could stay and be a part of the wedding, but of course I cannot do that. That's only for close family members. So we saw the whole family gather around and then we came out of the church and onto the streets to explore the souvenir shops. I always like souvenir shops, but I almost never buy anything. But they looked so colorful. This lane that we were walking through, it was really beautiful. It had these small cafes and the souvenir shops and everything, but none of it felt very manicured, like very, I don't know how to explain it, like it was made that way. Everything was just coming together. And I love the architecture here. It is so colorful and it's so different and you feel like you just want to look at the houses. By this time you must have noticed that there are three colors that are standing out. The first is blue for the sea, the second is yellow for the lemons, which are very famous in this part of Italy, and finally it's white, which goes really well with blue and yellow. And although my look was not planned, but I was wearing two of the colors and I felt like I was quite nicely blending in everywhere. I want to buy something with the lemon print or lemons, but I'm not getting the exact thing, so we are still looking. Next, we went to see the Fontana Pretoria, but unfortunately, it was under renovation, so we could not visit it. For the last 2 to 3 trips, I have noticed whenever we are going somewhere, there is something under renovation, which I'm okay with it because these monuments definitely need their upkeep. But because of the renovation, I can't see it. Instead, we saw this amazing looking, somewhat like an auto. Reminded me of these stalls we have in India as well. So colorful, and you want to try everything. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me. See you all super soon in the next video.